Start recording. Okay, awesome. So yeah, thanks for joining me on my channel. Sorry about the camera quality. That's going to improve as time goes on, as I get another laptop, I suppose. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually I'd like you to join me through my journey through my Steam library. First game we're going to be playing is we're going to be playing a bit of this. We're going to be playing a bit of that. Everything on this channel. A lot of Age of Empires. So if you guys don't like a video, just skip to the next one, or just wait until one of my videos actually catches your attention. I'm planning on playing StarCraft, I'm planning on playing Age of Empires, I'm planning on playing Diablo. Of course, I'm planning on playing the new Age of Empires 4 that comes out in October, so that gives me some time to get my own setup, I suppose, and my own laptop. Also, a lot of you know me from my Diamond channel on YouTube, where I do have live videos, and I post a lot of sessions where we go through some of the live auctions from Sotheby's and Christie's and Phillips and a number of other auction houses. And so yeah, so I'll be playing a lot of the campaigns. First we're going to go through some of the campaigns before I get into the exciting nitty-gritty stuff about setting this up, setting that up, and setting up individual campaign modes or individual battle scenarios. But for now, I think we're going to go through each of the campaigns. Unfortunately, what I have noticed is there's been, I don't know if the new DLC on Age of Empires 2 has been changed slightly. I know there was a period after the original Age of Empires 2 where there were additional add-ons, and the campaigns added onto those Age of Empires 2 campaigns were just not up to standard. It was just not up to scratch. It was just very not well put together. It was like someone half-heartedly just added those campaigns. And then, of course, I suppose now that they've noticed that Age of Empires 2 still has such a large following, apparently the newer civilizations added and the new campaigns added to Age of Empires 2 is superb, and the quality is up to standard again. So I haven't had a laptop for 2 years. I actually broke my laptop, and I'm actually quite amped to see what the campaign updates and what the newly updated Age of Empires 2 is like. I'm also quite amped to play about a Counter-Strike. I haven't played Counter-Strike in years. I mean, the last Counter-Strike I played was the original one. This was before CSGO. And I remember sitting at the internet cafe with my younger brother, and we used to play Counter-Strike for hours on end. And of course, that time we were joined by a plethora of nerds that just, they only knew gaming, and they only knew computer gaming, and they only knew Counter-Strike and Age of Empires and StarCraft, and it was just awesome to play with them. And they provided a lot of hours of entertainment. And I mean, you know, for two Asian boys from a segregated Indian community to start gelling with people who were exposed to technology and exposed to LANs and exposed to networking. It was just a new scene for us, and it was just awesome. And we enjoyed the new scene, and of course we took away a lot from that scene. So I'm quite amped to get back into it, and I'm actually quite thrilled that there's such a large following for gamers on YouTube, and I'm actually quite thrilled there's such a large followers for Counter-Strike, and even more so Age of Empires, because most of my life it was just me playing Age of Empires, and all my friends thought it was the most boring game ever, and they thought, oh my gosh, this guy is such a fucking freak, person sitting here playing Age of Empires 2 and they just don't see the joy in it and they don't see the fun in it. And I find it so immersive, I find it so engrossing, I find it so intuitive. So I'm quite amped to play a bit on this channel, and I'm quite amped that a lot of you will join me. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys have any suggestions for future videos or future uploads, if you guys want me to check out any games, if you guys would like me to play you guys in Age of Empires via Steam, if you set up rooms, I'll just drop your name in the comments and we'll chat and we'll hook up and we'll make it happen. And of course I'll upload our games or the games that we play to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so this is basically my announcement video, which I'm gonna upload, and I'm gonna see what's the takes on it, and then or if there's any takeaways on it, and then we can take it from there. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for joining me. Be sure to hit the like, share, subscribe, and I will upload my first game very soon, as soon as I get back into my Steam account, which I can't remember the password for. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.